Hey there folks, welcome back to another part of my thing where I'm making a Tetris Game Analyzer. Last time was kind of an experimental video as we moved back into Windows, legitimate Windows, not through a virtual box, but real Windows. Capture card works, everything works. The move over to use Windows worked, so that's good. So today we're going to carry on. I want to make the, last time we commented out the IsPlaying flag because I didn't, it wasn't working very well at all. And so today we're going to go back and we're going to look at that and we're going to figure it out. So yeah, let's do that. We were getting some huge issues in the IsPlaying flag. So let's open up screen reader, not screen reader, Tetris data model. It's been a while. So this is how we've done it. We've sort of looked at, we've taken the top position and we're checking if it's all black. And if it is all black, then we're not playing. Okay, there's two cases where it's all black. Where your top score, there's two cases where you're not playing. If your top score area is all black, oh man, it's been a while since I looked at this, or you're on the music screen. So then we take a rectangle, right, and we look at the space below. Yeah. Okay. It was a really odd thing where things were hard-coded in and it wasn't very good. So today we're going to, so we're going to put this comment in here. So first, we're going to check the top score area for full black. Okay, if all black, this implies you're not playing. Okay, otherwise, then we're going to check. Now I've decided that the check, and let's just open up one of our screenshots here. All these different things I can open it with, whatever. Just open it. So we check this top area here. Just make sure I'm still recording. Everything looks okay. I've gone back to using OBS on Windows. And we'll see. We'll see if this works. Anyway, we looked at the top. If it's all black, then we're not playing. If it isn't all black, we're either playing or we're in the music screen. So then I decided that the next check would be this area underneath the long bar count. And if that's all black, then we're playing. Now, before I hard-coded these values, which doesn't really work because when we moved operating systems and our screenshot changed sizes, these hard-coded values won't work. So I want to make them relative to existing elements on the screen. So for the top, that's no problem. We added the top score as an existing element. That's fine. Now what I want to do is I want to take the area, that's the long bar count, and we're going to look at the area directly beneath the long bar count. This should work. with all screenshots. And that's what we haven't done yet. So I basically want to say, look at the long bar count and then move down one row. Now, what's a row? A row is the height of a character. And we've sort of implicitly set this, but we haven't stated it anywhere. We set it in the fact that we've set the heights of the digits in our app settings. So we've set the height all to be 15. And that's okay. So I think we can look at the long bar and add the height of the long bar count to its position and then use that to see if it's all black. Let's try and do that. And we do have our test cases here. So we have IsPlaying test cases, and we have screenshots from every screen. I don't have pause in there. Pause would actually work as well in this check. So if I run these tests, these IsPlaying playing screens should report. Okay, so we can run these. And these should all fail. They should all just fail because I've actually commented out a bunch of stuff. Or no, that was in the analyzer. These all pass. Right now they all pass. And you might be thinking, well, they all pass. What's left to do? Well, we've got hard-coded sections in here. They only pass because our screenshots are the correct size to these hard-coded values. Anyway, we look at the top. That's fine. Other section. Here we go. We're going to take screenshots.clone, and actually we have a positions dot eyepiece now, does the rectangle class override addition? No, it does not. Okay, so what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to create the rectangle ourselves. So a new rectangle, and it's positions dot eyepiece dot x positions dot eyepiece dot y, but it's not y. We're adding positions dot eyepiece dot height to it. Okay. Let's bring this down here. And now we need the width and the height. Eyepiece dot height. Okay, and I think we need screenshot.pixel format. Okay, so this will actually grab the piece that's of the screen that's just below the eyepiece count. And then we'll say if it is black, then I'm playing, and if it's not black, then I'm not playing. And now because we have tests, we can actually run them all again to see if our new way of checking actually works. And it still works. That's beautiful. So we've got it working. That's actually excellent. We've got it working, looking only at relative to other elements. Okay, so let's delete all that. Okay, excellent. Well, let's see if this works now. Because last time we couldn't really play games reliably. Just want to make sure I'm still recording here. Okay. I didn't actually take as long as I thought, so let's turn on the Nintendo. And let's bring this, actually we can, what I'm going to do is I'm just going, oh right, we got to go back to our analyzer and uncomment this out. Right. Okay, so we can actually just run this. I'm going to drag it to the other window. And we need to open up VLC. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause it. I got to open up VLC here. Open capture device. This one. Oh shoot, what was it before? Did I do 640, 480? I think I did. And then I probably went like this and like this. We'll see if that works. I forgot it doesn't remember what I used to do, the size. Anyway, here's the output right here. So we'll have this going right beside me. Okay, play this. We're actually running. New game starting. Oh dear, my score. My score's not right, is it? 5801. What? Seven, 4, 7, 1. No, things are wrong. Let's see if the game ended. Final score 7, 4, 7, 1. So that was wrong. 100% wrong. I did something wrong. That's okay. Let me grab a screenshot. Let me put a breakpoint there so that when I start playing, let's just start playing on level 0. Okay. We're going to pause that. We're going to go here. And let me see my screenshot. Screenshot.save. We'll call this screen 4. And we'll try and get into it like we normally do. Screenshot 4. Does that look right? That looks pretty darn perfect. Why was it totally messing up my score? Yesterday it was not. Let's go into here. So right now my current score is 0 because I just started a game. And 1001. What? Where did you get off calling that 1001? Ah, no, whoops. Let's go up here. Let's go into here. Hey. Go into it. How come I can't go into it? Why is it showing as 1001? Okay. Okay, we're gonna conk out here. Go into score. Go right here. And we're going to hit enter. And we're going to do this. There we go. New game is starting to play. We're now looking at the score. Score does not have a value. Screenshot. Positions. We're going to get the sub image. And then I'm going to take the sub image, and I'm going to save it as screen 5. Always fun to do. Ah, interesting. Huh. Yeah, I can see how that would be wrong. That's very strange. Okay. You know what? I wonder if last time did I have the minimal interface? No. No, that was fine. My screenshot was fine. My score's a little crazy. Okay. That's too bad. I don't understand what the difference was. I'm looking now at this pixel right here. At 608,154. What's in my app settings score? What? Huh? What? Oh, wait a second. No. That's okay. Hold on. Wait a second. This doesn't make any sense. Okay, let's open up screen 4. That's what I'm looking at. Okay, let's edit it. And let me find out what this pixel is. This is ridiculous. No, not that. This. 386,103. Interesting. I'm not sure why I lost. My pixels are different, but okay, let's change that to 103. Very bizarre. Now it reads it as 4044. All right, you guys, this is ridiculous. Let's go and look at my video that I made last time, because this is absurd. So this will be some recursion, not really, but this is my video I made last time. And everything was fine there. I was analyzing it. That's where I put it. Okay, this is where I was trying to figure out what to do with the window. Ah, okay, here we go. We're going to find out what size I set this to. So I did 720 by 576. Okay, hold on. Stop this. Change that back to 6. Okay, let's open this device again. 720 by 576. Play. Okay, and then I'm going to do this and this. Now we're going to start this. What's my score now? 0. Okay, so I was off by a few pixels. Okay, that's fine. Let's get rid of that. And bring this back up. Okay, game ended. Final score. Let's start a 15 game. Ah, shoot. I need to get rid of all my breakpoints. Where's my breakpoints here? Kill them all. Yes. Okay, I'm going to top out. Stop this. We're gonna Okay, here we go. Game starting. I pushed down and got 5. Okay, this is good here. Okay, and then I'm going to top out because stuff happens. 20641, 6 lines and 1 Tetris. Game ended, final score. It still thinks the game ends. Back to the title screen. New game starting. Okay, awesome. I've been practicing my level 19. I am so much better than I was on level 19 before. I can actually get a few Tetrises on level 19, so it's nice. Anyway, that's not the point of this video. It doesn't look fast, but it's ridiculously fast. Especially when you have to manage DAS. Anyway, that is what it is. 42409. Everything's awesome. Game ended, final score 42409. Okay, perfect. That's actually awesome. We're going to kill this, stop this. Okay, now, the next thing we need to do is to make sure that our code is in a reasonably decent state. So this was for Linux, and this is for Windows. My Tetris data model. This is pretty big and gross. I can sort of clean this up. I can say IsPlaying equals color checker dot is black other section, because if this is true, we're setting IsPlaying to true. If it's false, we're setting IsPlaying to false. We can just set IsPlaying to that. So that helps clean that up a bit. We don't really have to do this. We could do this here and kill this. We can even, at this point, yeah, we can do this. Throw that in there. Kill that. Looks a bit better. Okay, that's all right. That's all right. That's decent. I'm happy with that. Because we made some changes, let's just make sure our tests still work. And actually these tests will be used using different values, right? The screenshots are different sizes. The app settings testing has different values than our actual game stuff, but it's okay, it still works. That's awesome. All right, so that's good. Let's commit this. I want to commit this. IsPlaying flag works. Awesome. Ah! Shoot. This is the first time I've tried to commit anything on this new install. 1 second, folks. That's my email address. Don't wear it out. Global user. Come on, that name. That's, come on, I can, oh my word. Let's try and commit this again. I think that might work, it might not. I might get some, oh, it does work. Okay, what next? Because that didn't take very long at all. So, the next thing is we need to add to the settings screen, or the app settings, these values. Two things, actually. Okay, let's do two things. This is just to clean some stuff up. So we want to say where we're taking the screenshot. This screenshot has an X, Y value. What is this? Oh, a height and a width and a source X. This is a position on the screen where we're going to start taking the screenshot, and this is the size. So this is actually a rectangle, which we can add to our app settings. So, I really don't like that. I'd rather it be this. Okay. Screen, game screen has an X. Right now, we're setting it to 223, whoops, 52, 223, and Y. Two. Yep. The width is 223. No. The width is 513. And the height is 412. It's 412. So that is our game screen, rectangle. So we're going to add that to our, here we go, screen positions. We also have a game screen. No. A rectangle game screen. Okay. So now in the analyzer, we should be able to say, look, don't take, I need an instance of the screen information model, which we'll have to get here. Okay. That way we can, actually, you know what, we're just going to pass in the rectangle. This is going to complain because it wants these things individually, but we're just going to say rectangle area. Going to say rectangle area, area dot width, area dot height, area dot x, area dot y. Okay, that's good. So that's added, that's made that dynamic. The other thing we're going to need is, don't do that to me. I wish I could take that auto formatting off. I got to figure that out. Digit recognition and we're going to say black level, and I'm going to set this to 140. Now if you recall, we've had to tweak the black, what is determined to be a black pixel and what isn't. Where is that? Here. 140 was almost perfect for Windows. Linux likes 120. Okay, so I shouldn't make it 150. Oh no, I didn't. I'm going to say Linux likes 120. Windows likes 140. Not sure why, but that's okay. Digit recognition. Okay, so now in the screen information model, we're going to have a digit recognition maybe settings, and I'm going to create this class right here, and it's going to have a public int black level, and then in the color checker we're going to do this. We're actually going to read only. We're going to just have the black level directly. And in the constructor, we're going to take screen information model. That might need to be changed, that name. That's okay. So we're using that. And we're going to say black level equals info dot digit recognition dot black level. And then here we can say black level. Okay, so now we've got everything in the app settings, and this is so we can create different profiles. When I use this analyzer while I'm streaming to Twitch, my thought is I want to make it as efficient as possible, so I might have a little tiny thumbnail of the game in addition to the main screen, just so that I can take screenshots of a very small area. Anyway, that would be a profile. You know, this is where to find the game screen, and this is the size of it, and this is where all the elements are. But when I'm just hacking around on my own, I'm going to have it bigger. You know, just different things. Maybe I'll be in different operating systems in the future. This makes everything dynamic, and it's set with settings. So that's the goal. Now we're going to replay this game, but see if everything still works. But I need to go to my program right now. Now we only do the screen positions. Get section screen positions. I didn't realize what I was doing was that. You know, I put them all together. I didn't want to put them all together. Whoops. So this, yeah, these shouldn't actually. Screen positions, digit recognition. Game screen. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to kill these, because these can be top level. So when I register these things, screen positions, I'm also going to find the digit recognition get section digit recognition dot get, and we're going to cast that to an instance of digit this one, digit recognition settings, and then game screen equals get section. I called it game screen, right? Game screen. Yeah. So game screen. I'm going to get that as game screen. I don't know if I like that. Oh yeah, it's a rectangle. I can call it whatever I want. Rectangle. You know what? Let's call it game area. That game screen is fine. What's wrong with me? That's a perfect name. Why doesn't that work? And I need to register these. I'm going to register digit recognition, and I'm going to register game screen. Okay, so these, what's wrong? Oh, register must be reference type in order to use it. Okay. This rectangle is a value type. Register instance. I've never had this issue before. Yeah, rectangle's not a reference type. This is where we go to the internets. We go autofac, register, struct. Cannot register struct. Well, of course you can't. What is the solution? Oh, register. Okay. So I can say register game screen. Single instance. Okay. Let's see if this works. No. Right. Because now I can take a digit recognition info. Oh no. What did I just do? Oh right, settings. Oh man, digit recognition settings. We'll call this settings. And we'll say settings dot black level. Done. I'm still... Okay, so this, we need a game screen. No, it's a rectangle. And it is a... Come on. Game screen. How long have I been recording? I gotta keep track of the time here. 50 minutes. Oh my goodness, my head's chopped off if I do that. Yeah, this is a continued OBS test. I gotta be careful about my head. Okay. Almost done here, almost done. So we're gonna take in a rectangle, game screen, and we're going to assign it. And down here, we can just get it. Okay. All right, cool. Let's run this now. We shouldn't see any differences. Oh no. Cannot create instance of type rectangle because it is missing a public parameterless constructor. What? Okay, so there's something interesting. I guess that's really too bad. Block level. These work. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's okay. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back here. Yeah, I'm right here anyway. What do I take in into the Tetris data model? I take in screen positions. Okay, let's instead okay, we'll do that. That's fine. Screen positions. We're also going to say private read only. Rectangle. Game screen. No. Hold on. I need this in the analyzer. Okay, the screen information model has positions. But it's also going to have a rectangle game screen. Come on, we're almost done. Let's just have this. I'll go back to my app settings, take my game screen. I'm so close to the end. I don't want to do something haphazard, but I also want to actually get this working. Okay. My models here, I have a screen information model which contains the game screen and positions. Makes sense. Makes sense to me. So I'm actually going to okay, fine. You know what? We're going to put the game screen in there. So we need to get a screen information model. We need to register the screen information model, not the screen positions. Screen information model, and I already see that this should be different. So let's go back to our app settings and screen information, game screen, game position. Makes sense to me. Game position. Okay. These have to line up. Screen positions. Screen positions. The name game screen does not that's because I'm game position. There we go. Okay, let's go back to our program. Here, let's put a breakpoint here and run it. So getting the screen information model works. Getting the digit recognition works. Okay, and then that's going to fall apart. So rename this to screen. Why does that take so long? Dude, come on. How's my recording going? Still humming along, although I'm at 50% CPU. Oh, come on. Stop it. Wow, that was ridiculous. So we don't need to register game screen anymore. Register screen information and digit recognition. In the Tetris data model, we can't take screen positions. We can take in a screen information model though. Info. Okay, that's fine. No, don't rename anything. Positions equals screen info dot. Come on, screen positions. Man, what's my task manager look like? My system is just bogging down here. There we go. Okay. All right, so that's the case, everything is fine. We'll rebuild this. Oh, this is taking way longer. Oh, come on. Cannot convert from screen positions. Oh, of course. We need a, okay, come on. My computer is just not cooperating right now. Okay. Screen information model. Screen info. screen info dot screen positions. We're okay. Wow, I might have to stop. I think we have to stop. My computer's hurting. Okay, we're gonna, oh man, I don't want to stop. All right. Because this is the factory screen information model. Ugh. Okay, my computer seems to be okay now. Yeah, and I'm down to 50% CPU, or 10% CPU. I'm still recording. So it's not the recording. It's something else. Oh boy. Everything seems to be fine. Let's bring in our game. And we'll start to play. Game starting. Oh, wait a second, we can't see that. Good, good, good. Everything looks awesome. I topped out. It says game ended. And then we start again. New game starting. Okay. This works. Perfect. Okay. Thanks for joining me. Oh, game ended. Final score 99. Interesting. Okay, we're gonna kill that. We're gonna kill that. Everything's different. Okay. Okay. Thanks for joining me. Next time, we are going to. I think we're going to look at the idea of a drought counter to count the number of pieces in between long bars, because that's something that's very, very interesting. And even as I'm stopping here, look at the process memory. It's just, it's increasing. Then I bring in the game. Why does it increase so much? What, there's a memory leak somewhere? Oh no, it went back down. Okay. Okay, well, whatever. It's all good. Okay, yeah. Next time we'll look at adding a drought counter. Okay, have a good one. We'll see you next time.